Hi, welcome to my fourth video about how to look after children during the pandemic, especially the lockdown period. Because children and youngsters and working people, they are at home due to the lockdown. They cannot sit at one place for a long time. They want some kind of activities. So the elders, the matured people, they know the situation. They keep themselves at a place and restrict themselves from other activities. But the children, they cannot. But parents, it is our duty to make them engage in a useful manner. The earlier three videos, I told you a couple of techniques and ideas. Probably you are also knowing that, still we forget. Right. Today, I always insist in a informal meeting, whenever meet friends, whenever meet new youngsters and those who are seems to listening me, these kind of people, when I meet, I always advise them to encourage others to join in defense forces. Also, if the person who is eligible to join in defense forces, I always tell them, come and join. So, ladies and gentlemen, today my emphasis is on encouraging your children to join in defense forces. Okay, in one go, at a small age, you cannot do anything, but at the tender age onward, you have to give them, encourage them for the patriotism spirit. Patriotism you should inculcate in your children mind. Then only when they grow the suitable age, they will join in defense forces. Defense forces are beautiful platform. Those who join in defense forces, they are heroes, real-time heroes, no doubt about it. So make your children real-time heroes. For that, you have to inculcate them with the patriotism, brave, courage, and heroism, and gentlemanliness. These are the things. Now this is time. What you have to do, you have to keep telling the stories. Stories is the one media means. Through that only you can tell so many things, educate so many things to the people and the children too. Children are interested in listening the stories. So make use of that. Right. You just like that, what I am talking to you, if you talk to them, they won't listen. They get no interest. That's why my idea is you must tell some stories, and in case you done something somewhere in your young age, and your friends, your neighbors, you quote the examples and go back to our history. In our history, there are so many heroes, numerous heroes. You dig out, refresh your memories, take out the details from the Google, and even the scholars, those who studied only the history. So throughout states of India, every state has number of heroes since the Raja's time. So with the example, you must talk to your children and keep them always active. Don't restrict. I always tell you, if you restrict, their mind goes there only. If you don't restrict, their mind become fresh and always ready to catch any damn thing. That's why don't restrict. And study. Don't compel them. You just tell them good and bad. The grown-up children, they come to know. Even the child means 2, 3, 4 years. Of course, you need not to tell about the studies here. You just teach whatever you know, the good things, the self-discipline. The self-discipline is nothing, but you have to show that. When the parents are following self-discipline and they are doing good things, children will definitely follow. This thing in my previous video also I insisted, I harped upon it. Please kindly note. Your child, if you are just dreaming, my child, my son want to become the superhero, superman of the world. No, it's not just possible unless you show them, you reveal your good qualities. Therefore, first you do, then ask them to do. Okay, certain example today I want to give you. Don't mind it, because this is my own example, because I cannot tell others. Whatever I am having the experience and I have done and I got the result, that about only I can talk. Okay, whatever I was doing, the same thing my children are doing. So there is no second opinion about it. Why there is no other words to tell this. Whatever I was doing, the same thing my children are doing now. Okay. For example, I used to do yoga, pranayama, kind of exercises also. So they are now, without asking myself and requesting them or telling them, they are doing themselves. Of course, whenever they got the opportunity, they ask me, Dad, shall I join in the yoga class, meditation class, all those things. Now they are doing. Even though they are grown up, daughter 31 years, son is 26 years. Now I'm very happy to see them. They are in the morning hours, they are happy. They are on their own for doing the physical exercises. Fine. Then, my son, when he was studying 6th standard, this example why I am telling, don't restrict. Don't restrict. This is one example. There are so many things I told my son. And did for my son, and I never restricted. So now he is all rounder. If I tell so much about my son, means won't be nice looking. But one or two example I have to give for emphasizing and giving the value to my this advice. Don't restrict. So when in one of the Rajasthan, Bikaner, when I was posted one evening, my car Scorpio was ready. We were about to move, go to somewhere else. In the evening time, before me, he ran and sat on the driver's seat. He was just studying 6th standard. And he said, my daddy, shall I move? Move. I went and sat next to him to co-driver's seat. My daughter and wife, they were shouting at me and they did not come. I said, okay son, move. Let me see here what will happen now. It's an open ground. Then he moved. That was the day he started learning driving without any driving classes, my own teaching anything. He used to sit with me whenever I was driving, and I observed. So I did not object him. Whatever he was doing, I taking myself to confident. Nothing is going to happen. Very big damage. So why I should restrict my son? So that is one solid reason I can give example I can give you. When I was learning horse riding in Nagrota, he was a very little boy. He said, I want to do. Do that. Then wherever we go, he used to church for the horse riding. Then swimming. Everything by seeing the parents, children will learn. There is no doubt. Okay, so like that, and so many social work also I used to do in between. So my son, when he was studying first year BTech, he formed a NGO on his own without it telling. He did not tell me also. So like that, you should be the example to your children. Who will come and show the example to your children? You are the best hero, right? That's why you be first. As a father, as a mother, you be first to tell any good thing. Show them. Only talking tigers cannot achieve much. The working on ground people only will achieve their life, and they do some better thing and show to the world and even to the to their own family. So ladies and gentlemen, today actually one or two example I told. This is for not to restrict and be you first on ground. then your children will follow. Whatever I do at home with helping my wife and all at the kitchen, my son is doing it on his own. I'm never asked. My daughter, the same brave, same courage, and the way of talking and dealing the people, everything, because they are the carbon copy of you. But on ground, whatever you are doing, they will do. That's why, taking not much of time, I want to conclude this video with once again emphasizing, make them to play indoor games, and especially the traditional games if you know. Otherwise, chess is the best game, carom board, there are so many snake and ladder like that. Then when your children, or whether they are daughter or son, teach them arm wrestling, and you do exercise in front of them, some push-up, some sit-up, some yoga. You don't compel them. You do, son, I am doing yoga, don't disturb me. Just open, let him come and see. Then later he will join you. This is the technique. And don't use any vulgarity, vulgar words, any bad thing, and never talk bad words in front of them, and jealous making words, jealous making talk in front of them. See, if you are doing so much, this is more than enough. When they grow, the age when they come to know what is good and bad, they will accordingly they will do and lead their life. When they grow to the level of taking decision, what they want to study, you don't restrict. You ask them, son, what do you want to study? This is also one good example I tell you. I never asked my children, both my son and daughter. Daughter said, I want to study commerce. I said, go ahead. Son said, Dad, I want to do engineering. Actually, I had doubt whether he will be able to doing engineering, civil engineering. He said, I did not shown that doubt also in front of him. I had in mind. Then I said, son, okay, no problem. Take decision. What kind of which engineering you want to do? Then he said, you tell me. Then I inquired with so many my officers, lot and friends. Civil engineering is good, electrical is good, mechanical is good, what is good? Then most of them told me civil engineering. So I suggested, son, my friends are 80% friends are recommending for the civil engineering. What is your then Dad, I will do civil engineering. So don't restrict. First day onward, don't restrict. You just be a good example and kind enough and lovely, affectionate. Don't show yourself as a dictator. Don't restrict them. No, don't keep it here. Keep it there. No. See, don't be a dictator. Don't be a commander. You are a father. Be a father. So work is, home is like that. Home is for our comfort. Okay, we are not for home comfort. Home is for our comfort. You want lie here on the floor, you lie. You cannot do it in your office or somewhere else. That's why be a father, be a mother. Don't be that dictator, teachers or headmaster or your boss. Of course, you are everything. You are everything. There is no doubt. You are master of them, for them. You are teacher for them. You are a guide for them. You are friend for them. But the way you handle them is very important. So that's all about this video. And in case any doubt, you can write it in my YouTube comments. You can ask for my contact number, just like that. So anybody wants to join in defense, and I'm giving coaching to SSB interview also, free of cost in Bangalore. Those who are interested, even if you are not having your children, at least your neighbors, whomever you know, just encourage them and make it a point that one child from your home should join in defense forces. Nowadays, even girls can also join. Not nowadays, 15-20 years, since 20 years only. So please make one child, at least one child, to join in the defense forces. That's all. I will meet you in I know in any good occasions or any good video I take. I will post it in my YouTube. That time we will meet again. Till then, goodbye. Jai Hind.